Hello, this is our conveyor-based bottle filling plant module. Here, with the help of computer, we write the PLC program and download it to this PLC. This is Allen Bradley Micrologics 1400 Series B. Now, for this program, we have total 4 inputs and only 2 outputs. First, we will see on the hardware what are the inputs. Here, one input we are using for start button, second we are using for stop, third is this proximity sensor, that is inductive type of proximity sensor. We are using metal bottle for this purpose. Now inductive sensor will easily detect this metal bottle. Now last fourth input is a low level control and 2 outputs. One output is for solenoid valve to operate this solenoid valve. The solenoid valve, we can see here is a solenoid valve. Above that valve this water tank is fitted. We can see the water level here. And next control is a conveyor motor control. That is, we need 2 outputs and there are 4 inputs. Now already program is downloaded to the PLC and all wiring connections are done. So once we press this start button, our conveyor belt will start. In front of proximity sensor it will sense, and now we made program time based. That's why once it is filled, we press stop button. Thank you.